Hi again, I'm here today with Jeanette Jifkins from Onyx Legal, and welcome to our kitchen table, Jeanette.
Thank you.
Got a really cool question for you today.
Yes.
And it's one that people get confused over, and maybe you can help all of us clear this up. Who owns the domain name? How does that work?
Okay, so...
Sounds so simple, doesn't it?
It does sound simple. Nobody owns a domain name. It's a international registration system. So it's very much like having a post office box. If you forget to pay for your post office box, they give it away to someone else. So your domain name is like having a post office box where people can find your website. It's the address where people find what you're making available online, but it's not owned by you. What you should really do though, is do a who is search online. Do who is, you'll find how to get there. When you do a who is search online, it'll give you the details of who the registrant is of the domain name. And the registrant is the same as the person who has the right to use the post office box. They're the licensee. Whoever the registrant is the person who has control over that domain name, as long as they keep paying for it. So that's where you're at. If you are named as the registrant of a domain name and you continue to pay your fees, then you have control over the domain name, but you don't own it indefinitely.
So as long as you keep renewing it year after year, you can buy and sell it if you want.
You can.
And transfer it to other people through normal commercial measures like buying and selling websites and stuff.
Absolutely.
Buying and selling domain names. So nice and simple.
There's one other important thing. If you are a small business and you do have a website, go and do that who is search and check that you are or your business is named as the registrant. Because sometimes, particularly about 10 years ago, a lot of web developers were setting up domain names in their name, not the business names they were building the website for. So you may not actually have control over your own business domain name. Please go and check it, make sure you can sort it out. If you need any help sorting it out, we can do that. Yeah,
that's really, really important. We have seen this happen a lot and we've helped clients through this. And it's easy to fix, but it's something really important to check if you're a business. Thanks for that hot tip, Jeanette. Awesome.
Cool.